Now oxygen go home. Now you notice is 2. 2 must be zero. That means the speed of without 2. Now you can choose the hardware mode to move speed up. Press CCD. Now 3. Now open the CCD light. Now move the camera near the laser park. Near the point. Hard view mode. You can notice the center view near the mark point. Now move to the focus height. The distance will be 108 millimeters. Now almost the green line is near the black mark point. Now load the carried code. Now camera is in this point, mark point. Graphic. Now input our test field. Now choose the cutting shape with green color to mark it for mark point. Now we set the cutting to angle. To angle it means blade. It is a 2 angle. Now input the material thickness. That's okay. Now choose the F2. We choose the Use CCD mark load point. Press OK. Now choose the create field. Choose the hard view mode. Now choose the knife head. When it is red, the knife head will up. Now the knife head in the material surface. Now just Z go to yellow. XY don't go to yellow. XY no need. Now after the Z. Okay, now press CCD. Move to focus height. CCD start F1. It will auto go for mark point. That's right.